You know, sometimes you just can't find the right hair accessory. Sometimes you just can't find the right thing to put in your hair to make it to look the way you want it to look, right? So you gotta go DIY. Do you know how to DIY hair accessories that you need? Well, this is DIY in July, and hello Crafts and Curls, Janet and Janae here. We are in July. This is our DIY month, DIY hair accessories. There's 5 different things that are being created this month. 2 of them have already been created. The 3rd and the 4th are underway. Keep your eyes out on the reels so that you can check out our DIY in July hair accessories so that you can learn how to make what you need to make your curls do what you want them to. Now these are doing what I want them to. Did I make them? No. But if I didn't already have them, I would know how to make them. Keep tuning into July and keep your eyes on the reels and the shorts and the videos, depending upon how long we make it. We may just make the whole extended version and not shorten it down, or we may shorten it. I don't know. Just keep your eyes on July for DIY. This month we're creating an elevated tuck comb. It's really nice. A couture clip. It's amazing. A satin scrunchie headband. I bet you never heard of that. And the last one is going to be a very unique twist on a 2-in-1 piece. Actually, if you're creative, you can probably do more than just 2 things with it. But yeah, pretty amazing.